Hello everyone. Now that living in Kenya has become an extreme sport, getting a good home with good security and good access to all social amenities should be one of your priorities. Today, we are in this gated estate of 4 units and it's located in Mugutha. Mugutha is a locality that is slightly higher in terms of quality compared to the likes of Ruiru Kiambu and Ruiru Matangi, and it competes stiffly with the likes of Varsity Estate and Membli Estate. Today, we are exactly 3 kilometers from Thika superhighway, and next to me are 3-bedroom all-en-suite bungalows, each with a print area of 150 square meters. The price of each unit is 7.599 for the cash buyers and 7.999 for the non-cash buyers. So you see, we are giving a discount of $1 for everyone who purchases these units. Tell me you are not excited by my stupidest marketing skills. Let's get started. Each home has been built on a 40 by 80 piece of land, and as you can see from there, the security in this estate is on another level. Each home comes with a 10-foot perimeter wall, a razor wire above it, enough security lights, and an electric siren. At the entrance of each unit, you have your mini orchard, and this makes this home look very expensive and also very inviting. I'll take you inside. Each home in this gated estate comes with a 3-car parking, but if you like squeezing your cars, you can get in up to 4 cars in this parking. On my left-hand side, you have this section that has been set aside to act as the bathroom of your pets, but also you can connect a hosepipe here and use it to clean your cars. On my right-hand side, you have the front yard of this home, and from there you can see it's well green, and it adds to the aesthetics and ergonomics of this home. Next to me, you have the entrance porch of this home. As you can see from there, it's a big space, and it gives this home a very modern look. Today, I'm excited by 2 things. First, this home is very beautiful. Second, my cameraman just got his second girlfriend, and I'm very happy for him. I will clap. Should we tell him the truth about getting toasted, or should we just wait? Make sure you comment below. I'll take you inside. Wow, I'm excited to see a different layout. Although this home is not friendly to people who are able differently because of these funny lips, this home will be very comfortable for normal people. The living room is standard, though slightly bigger than many living rooms that we have seen on houses of similar value. As you can see from there, the center light has been very well done. The gypsum ceilings are on another level, and if you check on my far front, you can see that the windows are very well done. The living room opens to the dining area through this access. And on the other side of the living room, you have this wall that will act as the prime focus of this home. One specific thing that I have to mention about the lighting of this living room is the mood light. As you can see, it has been very well done, and I like how the green is blending with the whites of the ceiling. Normally, I don't like the color, but when it's done this well, I must love it. The rest of the lighting has also been done very well, and as you can see from there, you would want to live in this home. This door will take you to the bedrooms area, but before we see that, we will see the dining area, and later I'll show you the kitchen. The dining area is a sufficient space for your family. This dining area will be big enough for a 6-seater to an 8-seater dining set. From there, you can see that the dining area comes with a wash basin for you to clean your hands just before you have your meals. Above it, you have a mirror, and this is a soap dispenser. The dining area comes with 2 windows, very well done ceilings, and a triplet of a light fixture. On this other side, the dining area comes with a wine cellar for your 12 bottles of wine. Right now, what you get is my YouTube Black water bottle and some extra accessories for your windows. I'll take a sip and then I'll show you the kitchen. The kitchen comes with light granite countertops, and as you can see from there, the kitchen is big than you expected. This space comes with a double sink, a window here, and a transparent door on my far end. This space has been set aside for your cooking top. Behind me, you have the pantry of this kitchen, and this door will take you to the laundry area and the clotheslines area. This pantry is not the biggest, though for this kind of a house, this pantry will be very sufficient. From here, I'll show you the clotheslines area, but before that, this is where you do your refrigerator. You can also do it on this other section. This house is very beautiful, very well done, but it's a disappointment for people who can't live without a kitchen garden. As you can see from here, what you only get is the clotheslines area and the laundry area. The clotheslines area is big enough for all your family clothes, and this is where you wash them. This space will easily host your washer and dryer, and I like it that it comes with a double socket and a floor trap. I'll take you back inside. This hallway will take you to the bedrooms area. Next to me, you have the first bedroom. The second bedroom is on the far end next to the common washroom, and this is the primary bedroom. This door will give you an access of the bedrooms from the living room. We left the common washroom open for you to see how easily accessible this space is from the kitchen, which is on my far front, and the living room, which is just here. From here, let's see the first bedroom, which is at the start of the hallway. At the entrance of the first bedroom, you have its bathroom. The bathroom comes with a wash basin and a WC. For those people who keep asking me what a WC is a water closet. In simple words, kioro kia bobo. This bathroom also comes with a showering area, a towel holder, and a mirror. The bedroom is of a standard size, big enough to fit a 5x6 or a 6x6 bed, and it comes with a floor-to-ceiling closet. This bedroom also comes with a side light, and as you can see from there, the closet will be sufficient for all your clothes. From here, I'll take you directly to the second bedroom. At the entrance of the second bedroom, you have its bathroom, and it's just similar to the one that we saw in the first bedroom. The bedroom is slightly smaller than the first one, though it comes with a similar size closet and a similar size window. All these bedrooms comes with very well done ceilings, and from here, I'll take you to the primary bedroom. From the second bedroom, this is the common washroom that I showed you, and this is the primary bedroom. At the entrance of the primary bedroom, the same concept applies. The primary bathroom is here. The primary bathroom is the biggest. It comes with a double towel holder, a double soap dish, and all the other necessary fixtures. The primary bedroom is bigger compared to the other two bedrooms that we saw. It comes with the biggest closet, and I like it that the ceilings have more details and two side lights. The closet comes with similar spaces at each end, one for you and the other one for your partner. The spaces have been separated by this sectioned part for all your foldable clothes. On this other side of the bedroom, the space opens to the front yard. That's all for this bedroom. Now that I have showed you everything, we have only 2 units left, and we are selling them on first come, first serve basis. So if you're interested, call us in the number attached in the first comment. That's all for today. Bye bye.